Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Miss Anaya. Today I will read book 6 Oxford Modern English. So let's start. So today we are going to read Mother to Son. Okay, let's start reading. Well son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal star. It means that the mother is telling to her son that life is not crystal and like a star. It had cracks in it and splinters and board torn up and places with no carpet on the floor bare. This means that the life track had splinters and it was very difficult to go, and there was no carpet, just bare floor. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.